Well, hello, I'm back, but I just wanted to tell you something. I'm so excited because I've been working really hard on my car, which I think I've done not too bad a job. If you want me to show you, let me open up this little beauty. Can you see the car? I should put the lights on. Hang on a minute. I'll show you my lights. And then I've got these ones here that I've popped on. And then I've just put this one here as well. So I have my new drawers. I can see what I'm cooking. Isn't that a bonus? And then I've got this little drawer here, which I haven't put much in. So can I just say, oh my goodness, like, you need a small arm and small hands and small everything to do this. But so look, hang on, I've got to show you. See these things here? The nuts, the bolts. I put them in. Do you know how long that took me? Getting in here with like a little, oh, this is my pacemaker box. Hang on. Can't show. I use one of those angle tool things. Anyway, you probably know what it is. It's like one of those things that you put on the end of the drill, and it's like an angle, and it just sits directly under there so it doesn't make, you know, too hard or whatever. Holy shivers, it was very hard though, I can tell you. Anyway, so I'm pretty happy with this setup. So that's my DC charger, and I had like a solar thing. I've just changed my battery because the inverter, oh sorry, the battery shut itself, and so I was having errors on my fridge. My fridge is pretty darn empty at the moment, but it's still working like a dream, full of super dupers for the kids. Yeah, so now I've got a new lithium 120 battery, cost me bloody $1,000, but that's okay. Yeah, so I'm happy. I've just got, this is like just all my plates and cutlery and stuff like that, and then just stuff that I can get to really quickly. Oh crap, sorry. I'll put that in eventually. Anyway, I'll fix that. I'll turn the lights on first. No, I'll leave them on so that you can see the other side. So this is the other side, and I put these drawers in too. So I've still got my rooftop tent, which opens up from that side, and then this side I stuck some lights there. So I've still got my ladder so that I can reach the rooftop, and then I've got these new drawers from Kings, which I put in using the same screws, but I put like a whole heap, so you just take the tops off and then just take the drawers out and then screw them in. So they were pretty easy. These are just my chairs, and that's just my bedding, and then that's my tools, which I've topped up because, yeah, I had to top up because I didn't have enough tools. And then, so yeah, I'm pretty happy with my new setup. I think that it's going to be super fun to use. What else can I tell you? I don't think there's much, right? But it's pretty exciting. Can't wait to go camping. It's going to be amazing. Yeah, I don't think there's anything else I need to tell you really, except for that's pretty much it. That's my baby girl. She's doing amazing. She's up to like 55,000 K, so I'll do a review on that because I'm loving it sick. So yeah, anyway, happy days, good to see you, and yeah, I'll see you when I'm camping because I gotta use this gear because it's super fun and super cool. See you soon. Bye guys. Bye.